Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to write a simple Python program to calculate the square root of a number. Let's start writing the program step by step. Before we do anything else, we need to use Python's built-in math module. So at the top of the file, we type import math. This gives us access to math-related functions like square root, power, pi, and many others. In our case, we'll be using math.sqrt function, which returns the square root of a number. Let's now move on to taking input from the user. Let's now ask the user to enter a number. Create a variable named num, set it equal to float within parentheses input function. Inside the quotes, we write enter a number. Why float? Because we want to support both whole numbers like 16 and decimal numbers like 7.5. Now comes the core part, calculating the square root. Let's create another variable called square underscore root. Set it equal to math dot square root within parentheses pass norm. This will compute the square root of the number entered by the user and store it in the variable square root. Let's now display the result. Now we show the user what the square root is. We type print function within parentheses f string. Inside the quotes, the square root of open curly brace num close curly brace is open curly brace square underscore root close curly brace. This will dynamically show the number and its square root in one line. Let's now run the program and test it. In the terminal, we type enter a number 16. Output. The square root of 16 is 4.0. Perfect. Let's try another number with decimals. Click on run again. This time type enter a number 7.5 and the output is the square root of 7.5 is 2.738 and continue. Python returns the full precision by default, which is very useful for scientific or financial calculations.